Okay. Kala ko naman hindi gagana, Diyos ko. Oh my God. You know what? Fine, whatever, dude. Ladies and Lazas. Ladies and gentlemen, I think, sorry I lied. I cannot do this anymore. But yun na nga, I guess, you know, what the heck? No. Oh, no. Anyway. Ladies and gentlemen, I lied. Sorry, bro. I did this, this time. This pre-recorded, bro. Oh my God. You know, pag-usapan ko to kung bakit ano ba nangyayari sa akin. But yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my show, and this is May Sasabihin Ako, episode 27. I'm not sure if this is episode 27, I think. Yeah, we'll see about that, but I don't know. I'm not sure. Cause nakalimutan ko igawa yung 20 episode. Hindi, nakabalik na ako. Alright, in that last episode. Yes, of course. Let me just check. Kung gumawa nga talaga ako. Ay, sorry. Cover your ears because the mic is getting too loud. Grabe talaga, no? Let me just check. Ladies and gentlemen, this is May Sasabihin Ako, and I lied because hindi ako pre-recorded. Hindi. Anong hindi nag-pre-recorded? Bro, I'm getting too dumb for this, dude. You know what? Doesn't matter because ito na nga, actually, this is right now, today, actually, it's time to make this a pretty good deal because actually, it's 7 days lang. It's my birthday. Hey, yes. I don't have any cancer ba? So, I'm bored na naman ulit. Ito, last week, episode 25 and 26 of May Sasabihin Ako, we made officially a first pre-recorded ever you ever seen because ako lang talaga mag-isa, and ito na nga, I am currently doing this today again. Wow, third time bro. Can't believe in you, dude. Grabe. Okay. So, for those who are listening availably, you are available on sa mga nakikinig, someone who listen. If you're listening here on Spotify, welcome. And also on YouTube, for those who are in a premiere, actually, I don't know, something like that. Hello and welcome to my show. This premiere, I actually don't know, sure. But anyway, exactly as you think, we are now, you're now officially simulcast. Oh wait, whoa. Okay, let me do this again. This is a kind of a unprofessional bullshit, but yeah. Sorry. Ito, unahin natin later. Mamaya pag-usapan natin kung ano ba nangyari sa akin. And number 2, boxing. We'll talk about that later. Kasi, alam mo naman, malapit na ang boxing. That is tomorrow. That is Friday. Hey, this could be releasing today. This is Friday, you know. Currently pre-recorded in this bit, bro. Can I believe in you, bro? Why, dude? But yeah, for those who are listen and watch on YouTube, welcome to my show. And also, of course, hello, and mabuhay. No, no, no. Yeah. And also, this could be released delayed after this, after premieres ends here on Spotify. Yes, of course. And I'm not gonna tell you again because this is pretty actually delayed for some time. No, it's not delayed. After premiering in this podcast or in this show, ganun na nga eh. Para para matapos ang premiere, kailangan ma-release after nitong itong YouTube version, and then go release it immediately to Spotify, dude. For those who are listening on Spotify, Gen Z users, welcome. And leave the comments below if you wanna tell something, or I could bit simple answer for that. And even here on the YouTube, by the way, if you want to comment, of course not. But yeah, and simulcast, by the way, on TGO1 Entertainment YouTube channel, and also on TGO1 Cool FM on YouTube, and also on Twitch, by the way. And for those who are in the watching right now on Fanmade Archives, hello and welcome. Hello and welcome to my show. And you guys wanna subscribe to Fanmade Archives, or just or join the membership there on that oh no, I don't know, I'm not sure. Oh my god, my brain is getting too dumb. But yeah, anyway, eto na. So we're gonna start this right now. So unang-una nating banggiting tong topic na ito is ang pagkainom. Yes, actually nakainom ako ng soju kaninang this 11:03 PM. Actually, I think, yeah. Oh wait, I'm not even sure how you can appear this MSA text. Ignore these glitches. The camera, it gives me radiative thing you just saw. But yun na nga. Wait. Wait lang Horizon. Wait lang recorded. I did not even 08/07. Wait, that is wrong, dude. 0708 /2025 in 10:55 PM. I'm not sure. Hey, let me just check again, ladies and gentlemen. It's currently pre-recorded. You know that it gives me problems that I just really forgot, because ito na nga. It is totally fine at the stage, kasi hindi na nga talaga ako makakapunta na naman uli, and hindi na talaga siguro. Gusto nyo matutuloy pa naman tong 8-8, since malapit na nga naman. Episode 28 will coming out on Saturday, releasing pre-recorded again tomorrow. That is Friday. I'll making the tape later. Later. Ano later? Bukas. Okay, bukas. Bukas yon, bukas. But yeah. Let me check the video, and can I even be seeing this thing? Okay, 10:55 PM. Okay, yeah. I heard that right, that I'm just getting wrong for some shit. Let's give it a bit of overlay, and then 3, 2, 1. Wait. Mischeck. if this thing is good or not. No. Using safe area shit. I'm not completely sure how. We're gonna transform this kasi mate lang let's pause for a bit, alright? I'm currently doing this thing right now. Oh my god, dude. I just really forgot to put it. Oh. Fade and then fade it again. Can it see again? Let me just fix the rename of the color. I mean the record date and time. Yan. You see that? Bro, I can't even assure you, when you make this in the future, this is totally gonna get real, dude. And then let's move it up for a bit for now, and then put it like this. So yeah, this is a for God's just wrong. What about it? But you know what? Ito na. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we are now recording, right? That's bahala na. We can put that in the future. Anyway, this is a let's resume this pagkainom ko. So uminom ko ng soju with my brothers. I mean, yung aking ang aking old brother ko, ang aking panganay ko. Uminom kami ng soju. I mean, been forced? No. Tinaray ko uli. With the whole bottle. Hati-hati kami sa soju. First shot, sarap. But it gives you hot in your neck, pati na rin yung puso din. You feel that, you know, that alcoholic right there, you know. When I tried this when I'm 13 years old, or not 12-year-old, dude. Yeah, 13-year-old or 12-year-old. I'm not sure because I have on Google Photos. Yes, meron akong Google Photos na archive na nakuha ko, pero hindi ko sure kung nasa saan yun. And actually, I think I drink when I was 12 or 11. I'm not even sure. Or baka 13 lang ako uminom eh. 13-year-old ako uminom, 13 years old. When I was 13, I'm not completely sure kasi hindi ko kasi na-check yung Google Photos na yan. But yeah, nakainom ako dati. And ngayon, nakainom na ako since I'm 18, malapit na nga mag-19. Dahil nga, you know, legal age to drink alcoholic things like soju. So yeah, first shot, okay, number 2, second shot, I captured the video. You wanna see? I cannot see. But, I have a video on my gallery. Let me get the file manager and, hold on. Let me get the file manager and then, SD card. You see this, okay? Teka lang. DZIM, Prosaic. Yeah, this first video, this phone is broken, so if we can see that for a bit, or maybe we're gonna down a bit for brightness. Here you see, as you can see, a warning for those who are watching, this is alcoholic shit. But you know what, pakita ko na itong nasa sa video, this MP4. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Grabe yung tapang. Grabe yung sorry. Grabe yung tapang. Hindi. Masyado. It's 12% alcohol volume. Actually, there's another one. That is a third shot. Oh, wait. That ain't right. That is the third shot. I gave it a thumbs up. I gave it a thumbs up for that. That soju, dude. But actually, third shot without chasing, no chaser, without any kind source of chasers like water. Wala talaga. Literal na wala. Bro, literal na wala ha. Literal na wala. Alright? And then how to explain this? And then fourth shot, chaser, no, not it. And then 5, wala rin, no chaser, inom ko pa rin. And then number 6, tinigil ko muna without chaser because grabe talaga yung umiinit, like parang you feel almost dizzy. Hindi naman dizzy, mukhang lasing. Malapit ka na malasing. Muntik na, pero nag-chase na lang ako instead. 5th shot, 6, 7, 6, 7, or 8, or 9, hanggang 10. Hanggang inubos namin yung oh my god, dude. I feel so dumb of the freaking alcohol. But yeah, after maubos yung soju, natapos na. Since ang pulutan, well, french fries and french fries and cheese steak, yun. Oh my god. Bigla na lang bumabagal because of freaking alcohol. Because of freaking soju, dude. Grabe. Ano ba talaga? Pinainom talaga ako, Lods. For now, since I'm 18, bro. I cannot even believe that I just do that at all times. But unless I actually officially did it. Actually, okay naman siya since mukha namang the flavor was good. I think it's lychee. Lychee ata yun. Lychee ata ang ininom ko with my old brother, ang aking kuya kong panganay. Wait lang. Wala tayong okay. Wala tayong ilaw. Teka lang, guys. Technical difficulties for a bit. I think I have been problems with the light. There we go. Sorry about that, folks. Okay. So let's go continue because actually okay naman siya. Yung kanyang okay, ulitin ko lang okay naman yung kanyang lychee. But yung alcohol volume talaga nakaka-crazy, dude. Grabe. Like, grabe talaga. And sunod, since natapos na, tumulog ako itong kwarto na to sa itaas. Yes, of course. And natulog ako dahil nga nag-join ako ata doon sa John Mel show dahil nga naman sa pagkalasing after natapos namin ang inuman. Grabe. I can't even believe, dude. But warning, this is alcohol topic. Yun na nga, grabe, no? Grabe yung inuman namin. Actually, take na matapos yung movie. But I already finished that movie. Ano siya? Shooter? 2007? I actually finished that through my phone. Here. Kaya tinapos ko na rin siya. Ang ganda naman ng eksena. Ganda na talaga ng movie. Oh, lumakas yung ilaw. Grabe naman yan. But yeah. Okay. Next is after since nag-join ako dun sa server after I got drunk. Almost drunk, and wala, sinasabi ko ng blah blah blah, discussing things like for something reason, and then after natapos yung yung the star show, and salita naman sana sa ako'y nag-left because grabe kasi ako'y naantok dahil sa pagkalasing kasi kumain na ako kanina ng ganisa. So, okay na rin yun at nabusog at hindi ako sumuka. Susuka pero walang susuko pero di susuko. susuka pero walang susuko talaga. Pero huwag niyo gagaya, tangina niyo, grabe. I cannot even believe myself, dude. How did I just do that, bro? Grabe. Full shot. Like full shot. Not the underage, I cannot do that. And now I'm doing it. I feel a bit nothing. Bro! Can I believe it, dude? Grabe. And ano pa? Paano ako magre-record? Kasi dumating na yung kuya ko. You know what? Gawin na lang natin is since natapos natin, that's the topic for that one. Of course, boxing. Habang nagbo-move. Wait lang ah. Habang namo-move, mamaya. Habang ako ay nagbo-move. Meron lang isa pa boxing. Tabi ka? Ayusin. Nako po. Ang nga ba to? Hindi ako yung
Hey, what's up guys?
Hindi, nagre-record ako.
Nagre-record ka ka? Ano yan, live hindi?
Hindi, pre-recorded.
Ayos lang, ayusin ko lang. Pangit ang mo sa ito.
Okay. Ayan, eto, boxing. Malapit na, 'di ba? You don't wanna know. Hindi ko kung sino nanalo. Wow, finiuture pa. Grabe, finiuture pa. Hindi. Actually, malapit na ang boxing. Since after natapos yung boxing, hindi ko lang sure kung nanalo, kung sino nanalo because this thing is pre-recorded, you know. I'm making predicting with into the future, dude. That's the only way, dude. Yan. That is bukas. The Friday. Yes, of course. Sa Friday, bukas 6:30 ang laban. If you saw already, panoodin nyo na lang. Kasi papanoorin ko ngayon. Wait. Papanoorin ko I mean, hindi ko lang sure kasi pre-recorded naman to eh. Ano ba naman to? Ang hirap mag-predict. Predicted to future talaga eh. Pero ano kasi to, ito talagang pakabobo dito sa Pilipinas. Oh my god, di nag-charge yung ano ko. Bro, di nag-charge. Okay, 25 minutes pa. Meron pa tayong another topic. Kaya, Gabriel versus Angelo. The boxing of the war hindi ko lang sure. The big noses. Syempre, the big noses. The war of big nose. Palakihan ng mga ilong boxing event. Like bro, grabe. Di ko lang sure kung sino man nanalo dyan 6:30 Ha, 6:30 PM. Papanoorin ko maya-maya. Anong maya-maya? Basta. Panoorin ko bukas. Re-record naman tong show na to, pambira. Parang papakahirap pa ako dito, Diyos ko. Bahala na.
Hindi na, bukas na ako kakain.
Okay, sunod. Ano pa? Teka. Check natin. Tawan-tawa kami kanina. Sa Tambayang Quadro, sa TQ plus 2 sa Tambayang Quadro. Okay, kasama ako doon. Ay, hindi, kasama. Hindi, ako ano lang yun eh. Pambira dahil kakunti na busy kasi mga barangay Quadro. For now, kasama naman ako minsan for sometimes. Pambira, tawan-tawa kami ni Jello sa sisig ng ina mo. Also, sponsors, of course, euroschocolate.com. And pati na rin ang sisig ng ina mo. Okay, bala na sisig ng ina mo. Ay nako. Okay. May pagkaiba naman ito ni Terebi, oh. Wow. Di natin kita. Pati naman ang leader name. Leader name, ha? Pero yun na nga, no? Okay. Ano pa? Potek na yan. Also, nagkamali dito kasi alam nyo naman, balik natin yung boxing kanina. Yung topic na boxing. Bukas. Itong picture. Tama ba? Ito ang picture, yes. I-focus natin ng konti. Ayan. Ayan, no? Ultimatum versus Angelo, August 8, 6:30 PM. Asiana City Open Grounds sa Discord. Sa Discord. Pang inabaliktad. Sa Roblox pala. Live audio feed available sa Fan-Made Archives Discord audience stage. At ito po mga sponsor, meron naman maling spelling dito. Ang tawag po dyan ay Lamau Condips. Lamau Condips. At yung Aso Here Aircon. Oh my God. Ba't yun naman binaboy? Nagkamali na ng spelling. Ayan, no, Aso Here Aircon. Sorry sa sa pagkagalaw kasi ang hirap ng steady itong phone na to. Pambira. Ayan, no, Aso Here Aircon. Pambira yan, Lods. Ayan lang, ang dami mga sponsors. May kasama pa yan, no. Mikotel, wala, Melody Mart, Ultron Blaze 100 €6, Bimbo Lumi, Katipunan Hot Dogs, True Tone, at Minto. Special participation, sisig ng ina mo, Lamau Condims, Lamau Condoms, at brand partnership, GSCA Bet 100 Saniton C+, Aso Here, Aspire Aircon, Mika Light, Spingo Corn Beef, Face to Face Strawberry Jam, at media affiliates Delsat, Able Media Player, RBS, and KV Cable or KBC Able or KV Cable na lang tawagan natin. But yan na nga. Ito namang yan lang, oh. Yan na nga. Huwag niyong kakalimutan. Hindi, panoorin niyo na lang yung replay. Kayo naman after ng stream na ito, pambihira naman kayo. Okay. Ay, nako. Wow, ang bilis agad ng duration, ah. I feel like I'm fast traveling, dude. Ano to? Live gikan sa ABS-CBN News Center Bacolod. Iniain nyo TV Patrol Negros. Ano yan ha, mga Occidental at Oriental yan ha, pambihira naman kahit isisend naman to nagsabi nito, Diyos ko. Dream Air Checks. Hindi pala. Hindi. Hindi. Audio processing software na ginagamit ko. May E9s. Ang dami namang ginagamit na audio processing softwares. Stereo Tool, Omnia E9S, napakahirap yan guys. Pero ang ginagamit namin for sure sa Cool FM, hindi ko lang sure, hindi ko pa nakikita, baka Breakaway ata pa rin or I don't know. Bahala na. Tsaka Chameleon C6S. Ay wala naman. Ay ewan ko na. But yeah, grabe. Ako pa to. Okay. Huwag nyo namang igayan si Pensiro ha. Pambira naman kayo. Kinakawawa nyo na naman uli. God damn! Hindi natin to papakita but huwag natin pakinggan muna. Baka kayo ma-spoiled. Okay. Oh! Hindi pala available ang listener system. Tawan-tawa kami tuloy sa sisig ng ino.
Good night everyone. Stay safe and have a good weekend.
Isisig ng ina mo. Grabe. DJ pa. Tarantado. Sino nagpalit sa akin ng nickname dito? The Ingelo. The Ingelo, hindi yun eh. Binaliktad nga talaga eh, no? Ginawa talaga ako pabira naman kayo. Okay. Hindi pala. Ano pa ang sinabi ko pa dito? Ang sinabi ko dito, I feel almost drunk. Putik na yan. Pati naman yung utang mo ga. Wow, parang hindi pa ready. Oh, hell na. Ito pa. Ano pa? Cheers kayo ni Seth. Siyempre, mag-cheers kami. No way. Lagi na lang tatagay. Ang crispy naman tong mic na to, no? Hindi ako makapaniwala dito sa mic na ito. Nako po, wag niyo na ipagawa ang beef stupper. Patay na naman kayo. Malalagot na naman kayo kay Pensiro. Ay, nako. Ano pa? Parang wala na eh. Ano ba naman itong show na to? Bigla na ako na nawawala na sa isip ko for now. Ito pa. Bruh. Of course, nga pala, meron na tayong sponsors for fan mating system, ang sisig ng ina mo. Masarap yan guys. Ang sisig, sulit pa yan, 50 pesos lang. Hindi ko alam sure kung magkano sa sisig ng ina mo restaurant. Pambihira. May pasa. Na. Ay, nako po. Oh yeah, of course. Monday, meron naman tayong Sky. Ay, sorry. Ano nga ito? Okay. I feel those so dumb. Ito. I have a stream in Monday uli, which is Sky and Hangout number 8. Parang mahaba na naman to, no? Hindi ko lang sure. Wait lang. Check ko nga uli sa YouTube uli kasi of course, malapit na matapos. The Sky the Two Embers Part 1. And actually, matatapos na pala. Yun nga, number 8. So, chapter 4, that might be the last of it. And kasama na rin included with the seasons. Yung last story act. Am I right? I'm not sure. So, I did not even change the thumbnail. Gagawin ko pa yun ng kaparaan. So, I'll be doing it for later pagka baka bukas. Oh, wait. I can actually do it. Wait. Right away. I forgot. Nandito lang yan sa files. Excuse me. Ito. Yes. Let's put this on this thumbnails right now. Of course, malapit na nga. Wait lang. Lagyan natin. Wait. Baka ako maghang eh. So, teka lang. Maybe I need 30 seconds of the video. Bro, ang haba. Maybe that ain't gonna fit. You know what? Fine. It's just only one frame. Okay. Ayan. Pakibukas ko pa ilalagay. Baka later. I think I'm gonna do this right now. Mamaya later. Okay na yan. Wala nang babaguhin pa. Ulitin ko, mali spelling. Nagmamadali ang editor. For those who are making fan making like this, huwag nyo munang pagmadali ng edit. Ang gawin nyo lang ay patagalin mo muna ng kaunti. Always double check if the spelling is wrong or may nagawa kang mali dito sa graphics. Always double check. Tingnan mo naman. Alam mo, condoms. Mali pa spelling ay nakalagay, hindi O. Tapos, oh wait, never mind. Oh bro, it did not. Okay, walang aso instead of okay, he changed it instead of the condoms. Bro, he didn't change condoms. Ang bobo. Bobo talaga. Ayan. Paano ba natin to yan? No? Pambihira naman to. Wala naman tayo mawawala tayo ng quality nito. You want closer look? Eto. Ano pa? Wait lang. Ay, ito ba pwede? Itaas natin ng konti. Okay. Yan, yun yung gonna fit for sure. Wala, tutumba naman tong camera na to. Yeah, and the camera died. Yep. There. Yeah. Camera died. Okay. Teka. Totally forgot my camera died. Nasira yung camera, bro. It did not chance to make this shit up. Grabe. Eto, habang walang camera, wala tayong profile eh. Kung sana ipipre-recorded ko to, tapos may profile picture, okay na rin yun. Wala naman tayong VTuber, of course. Can't even do that thing though. Oh ma. Ayun. One cable. Sira na to. Joke. Oh, paano ba to? Ito kasing ilaw na to. Pasasabukin ko na to. Man. The camera din. Teka. Ito. We finished the topic of sky. Ano pa naman? Ay. Nakalimutan ko pala. Habang inaayos ko to. Nagtatanong. Uy. Johnny Walker. Gago. Johnny Walker. Sige. Ayos. Wait. Ang tanga talaga. Ayan, di na gumana ang aking camera, potek na yan. Lumabo na ng lumabo. Tamo, hindi na gumana. Change. Gamitin ko na rin yung USB. Teka. Habang okay. Ito yung plug-in. Paka-broken naman. Ayun. Kitang-kita sa camera. Get the heck out of here. Naka-low light compensation pala to. O, ganito na lang. Ito na lang yung position. Of course, you didn't make this thing. Alright. Ay. Good to go. Kita na yung mukha ko dito sa itaas. But yeah, of course, ito. Meron pa. Actually. Ina Junjun sa Cebu. Teka. Putang ina, ba't naman yan? Teka. Ito ang nakikita ko dito sa aking phone. Ayos! DJ pa. Lintik talaga eh. Gumawa pa talaga ng ganito, potek na yan. Approve. Ang ganda, gumanda lalo. Malapit na pala matapos to. Seriously, ano pa nga ba? Grabe naman to. Napakahirap naman tong context. Nasa sa likod pa naman ng bahala na. O nga pala. Di pala ako nakakapag-join sa Lamang SMP. Ang nakakalimutan ko lang ay pumunta doon. I cannot even update the freaking Linux mint. Hindi niya talaga kasi gumana. Bro. Hindi naman talaga gumana. Ito pa. The RAM maybe might be the issue. Masyado na naglalag. It uses the swamp tuloy. Swap, ayun, swap. Ito kasing swap kasi ay like pampadagdag lang ng storage. Dapat siguro tinanggal ko na lang. Nakalimutan ko ay, no? Ang bobo ko doon. Hindi ko pa naayos dahil ng didn't even use hindi ko pa nagagamit ang Linux Mint, but I have a lot of archives out there on the Linux Mint. Oh my god, yung pa rin napakakalasig ka. Amoy tangina, amoy alak pa rin yung aking hininga ko ngayon. Hayop na yan. It could be might be the issue. I cannot even remove the respiratory of Steam. Kasama na rin yon. Hindi na actually di ko matanggal. I cannot even do it. It's locked in. I cannot even do it. Di ko alam kung paano yun tanggalin. Not even a server election coverage would beat a 7-hour live broadcast. Oh, hell na. Mahirap yan, Lods. Oh shit. Wrong emoji. Kingina nito. Ay. mali yung posisyon. Eto. Mali. Nagkamali. Pre, na-drive show yan. Hindi yung gago. Squirt. Kinginang to. Ano nangyayari sa main chatroom? Di bale, grabe talaga yan, no? Nga pala. Iano ko to. Isesend ko nga pala to. Anyway, bago tayo magtapos in this show, habang, since malapit na nga ng birthday ko, is 7 days na lang. My birthday is coming out, and I needed to plan the stream. Kala nyo, pre-recorded lang to. Buti na lang tinuloy ko pa to. I didn't even mean to lie to that announcement, but pasensya na. I think gumana naman ulit yung utak ko for now. Yeah. Just simple as that. Ulitin ko lang. It will be, ito na nga talaga. Ayan, na-release naman this time. Mali lang tong info, so, ito na yun. Nagkamali pa talaga. Sorry sa higher definition. Sorry, pasensya na. But yeah, anyway, bago tayo magtapos in this show, since malapit na in 10 minutes, I just wanted to say, kung gusto niyo mag-donate sa akin sa inyong money platform, pwede kayo mag-donate sa akin through GCash at GoTime Bank, sa aking social media platform, sa aking Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, pati na rin sa Threads as well. Makikita nyo rin yan just as that. YouTube, nandidiyan pa rin yan, pero it did not use the pin thing, kaya weird, doesn't have a pin post. And actually, dahil nga malapit na ang countdown ng aking birthday. Yeah, bro. Malapit na ang aking birthday. Just simple as that, dude. Grabe talaga, guys. Malapit na. Bukas 6 days na yan. Wait. 7 days na lang dito sa Friday. Okay, ulitin ko. Gawin tong predictable future. Okay, Edi Friday. 6 days na lang. Malapit ng birthday. And bukas 5 days. Malapit na. Oh, yes. Bahala na. 5 days. Sa ano naman, sa Sabado. Yun. Kaya 6 days na lang. 6 days na lang. Kaya 6 days na lang malapit ang aking birthday. This Friday, here on my sasabihin ako, this pre-recorded video. But yan na nga, I'm predicting this for the future nga naman. Para ma-remind nyo na lang agad. And I think gagawin ko na yung event just for now, immediately. Mamaya, gawin ko na to for now. Kala ko bukas na, pero hindi, konti lang naman din tutulog na ako. Oh my God. Grabe naman yan. Speaking of that thing din, hintayin ko muna tong Lazada ko mamaya. Hinintay ko pa yung sale. Tarantado talaga eh. 12 minutes na lang. 612 pesos yung Ugreen. Hingin ng 8.8 sale to, bro. Fifth, yun na. Grabe mga sale ngayon dito. Ayoko na. Di ba, malapit na lang naman yun, di ba? Oh my God, na. Mahal ng retail price sa ibang, sa ibang bansa. Siguro magtatagal to hanggang lang to, hanggang 10. Oh man, you're giving me this up to date always, every day. I can't even complain. For this, ay grabe. May tira pang oras. Ano pa ba? Ulitin ko lang, nagkamali na yung announcement. Ito na yung may i-release today. Bahala na. There will be show tomorrow. Pre-recorded pa rin. At sasayaw ko ng 8-8. Ay, gagi. But yun na nga. Ano pa? Paulit-ulit na yung feed ko sa YouTube na. Why am I saying this too much, bro? Matatapos na pala. Nakalimutan ko nga pala. Okay. Before we end this show, mag-follow na lang kayo sa aking social media platforms as well. As long as since we are now, nandun pa, inang main chat room to. Baka bonak naman to. Ano pa. Okay, follow nyo na ako sa social media platforms. Bahala na kayo. Link in the description below. Nandiyan lang yan. Facebook, Twitter, o Instagram threads, ano pa yan. Wala na. Iba't bang uri lang yan. Mag-join lang kayo sa Discord server. Link in the description below. Nandiyan lang yan. Bahala na kayo. And yan na nga. Kulang pa bang oras? Ay, kulang pa ba? You feel seeing as you feel seeing. Gagi. Kingi ng yan, Lods. Pambira yan, Lods. Tumalaw tayo sa Hallyu updates. Oh wait, never mind. Wag na. Baka ako makita niyo. No. Grabe, nagtubag preso. Kasama pa si Nicky de Guzman. Grabe. Ato pa. Last na. King inang yan. Yung nga pa ng one picture that I just you've been seeing the impersonator and the hater alert. I don't know, otherwise known as CDJ, Carl David Jobs. May problema pa tayo. May problema pa na naman tayo. You stole the picture that I just got since 2017. Naka-public pa naman yun. And someone made me a debo bullshit. Alam mo pre, nananahimik lang ako. So sakali lang itong buhay na to, Lods. I didn't hate my life. Yan lang. At wag mo naman bastusin ang aking mga pamilya ko. Yan lang. Kung sino man ay isang cronies, I think we will cut you for now. Next time. Or next week. Thank you for notifying this TMSH. Since he got the link for someone who doing this, please lang report it already. Just don't comment from the impersonation, but yan lang nga, please. Nananahimik lang ako dito. Seryoso pre. Wala akong ginagawa dito sa buhay, kundi mag-busy lang dito sa bahay. Yan lang tatandaan mo, si DJ. Huwag kang pabobo-bobo. I don't know you. And that is the show for today. Ang may sasabihin ako. Will you can I see you next time? Siyempre, may Sabado pa yan. Bukas, episode 28. Actually, malapit na mag-30, no? Grabe naman yan. As always, mga kalamaw, maraming salamat sa inyo. And for those who are listening on Cool FM, at pati na rin sa ibang platforms as well, maraming salamat sa inyo. And of course, 6 days na lang bago ang aking birthday ko ay officially released. Magawa ba ako ng IRL stream? Not sure. As always, thank you very much for watching in this podcast. And I'll see you guys dito sa inyong random show na pag-uusapan at random talks ng bayan and other topics as well. This is... Wait. This is may sasabihin ako. See you guys in the next episode. Paalam sa inyong lahat. Goodbye guys. Bye-bye guys.